Okay, a couple of examples here using the power rule and the inverse trig functions we have. The one thing you don't want to do here, by the way, is multiply these two exponents, because while 10 is an exponent, this right here, minus 1, is only a superscript. It doesn't mean the reciprocal of tangent. It means the inverse function of tangent. Meanwhile, if I want to take the derivative, I do see blob to the 10th. So what I'm going to do is say, okay, the derivative of blob to the 10th is 10 times blob to the 9th. Remember, blob is unchanged here. This is just still inverse tangent, like that. And now I need to multiply by the derivative of the blob, which we just got. That's 1 over 1 plus x squared. And that's the derivative of arctangent to the 10th. Without breaking too much of a sweat, let's do another one that plays with the notation just a little bit. I want the derivative of cosine x divided by arc cosine x. Now remember that minus 1 is not an exponent, so you can't bring it up to the top. We're stuck with the quotient rule. Quotient rule says, let's see, it's the derivative of the top times the bottom. A little more room. How about if we do this? Put the equals here. Yeah, that's it. All right, go like this. I want to see the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom times the top all over the bottom squared. I like to put in the things where they're not taking a derivative. That's the derivative of the top. This is just the bottom, and I can put that in there and be organized. This is minus the derivative of the bottom. This is the top, so I can put in, hopefully, cosine x right there. And right here is just the bottom. Now, I need to now put in the derivatives of what I'm supposed to. The derivative of the top is supposed to go there, like this. Derivative of cosine is minus sine. We just saw that the derivative of inverse cosine is minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And we'll try to mention this quite a few times, but just remember, the derivative of any trig function or inverse trig function that starts with co always has a minus sign in front. So the derivative of cosine is minus sine. The derivative of arc cosine is minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. The derivative of cotangent is minus cosecant squared, etc., etc., etc. So when you take the derivative of co, make sure that minus sign is there.